Welcome to my how to make a main menu in Unity tutorial. In this tutorial we're just gonna make a simple main menu using the OnGUI function. So the first thing we need to do is create two scenes so that we have something to go to. So we'll make a folder called scenes and we'll just save this scene in that folder and we'll call this menu. And we'll make a new scene, save that as game, and we'll just make sure we're on the menu scene, and then we'll create a folder called scripts. We'll open that folder and create a C# script and call this menu, and we'll open that up. And we don't need a void or we don't need a start or an update function right now. I'm just going to make a void on GUI, and then we'll make a button. Make a GUI.button new rect screen.width over 2.5f screen.height over 3 screen.width over 5 screen.height over 10. We'll give it a name load game. And this is just going to make a button. It's going to make it a rectangle. It's going to take the width divided by 2.5 and put it roughly in the center. Take the height divided by 3. Take the width divided by 5 for the size of the button, and take the height and divide it by 10 for how tall the button is. We want it to be clickable, so we're going to do if this button is clicked. We're going to do application.loadLevel. We're going to load level 1, and I'll show you why that's 1 in a second. And we're just going to copy this and make another button, and we're going to put the height at 2. We're going to call this exit game. And this is just going to application.quit. And that's it. And we'll come back in the editor. And something's wrong. Oh, because I did a comma instead of a slash, so that should fix that. Yeah. So we're going to create an empty game object, and this is just going to hold the script. So we're just going to call this a GUI Holder. We're going to drag the menu onto the GUI Holder and press play. And now we have two buttons, and if we click this, it'll give us an error because we didn't go into build settings. This is where you're going to put all your scenes. So we're going to have the menu, and it's taking from the scenes, it's getting that scene, and it made it created the ID 0, which is why we put 1. The first one you do is 0, then it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And now that we have that in the build settings, we'll play it. We'll hit load game, and it loaded our game, or it loaded the next scene. And I'll show you really quick. If we build and run this, I'm just going to show you the exit button right now. So I'm pretty much going to build this for no reason but to exit out of it. And something happened. Okay, I don't know what happened, but we'll play this. We have our load game, and if we click exit, it closes the application. And so that's pretty much it for this main menu tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'll show how to make a new and load game. So that way you can either start a new game and start it from scratch, or load your previous game and just load some saved variables. And so look out for that.